Alright, so let's talk about similar solids. So here I got two solids. They're both cylinders. One has a radius of 3, the other has a radius of 2, one has a height of 12, and the other one we have an unknown height. So to solve this, you can just set up a proportion, because these are just one-dimensional measurements here. So we got 3 over 12 equals 2 over x. So I'm going to do 2 times 12 is 24 equals 3x, divide by 3, and x would equal 8. So the height of that one is 8 centimeters. Alright, again, we have two similar solids here, and we can just make a proportion. So we have 6 over 12 equals 2 over y. So 2 times 12 is 24 equals 6y. Divide by 6. So y equals 4. So when you're just dealing with a one-dimensional measurement, they're pretty easy. You just set a proportion, cross multiply, divide, and solve. Alright, so we have two rectangular prisms here. One has a side length of 8, the other one has a side length of 14. The first one has a surface area of 236. So here again we can set up a ratio. So we could say 8 over 236 equals 14 over some unknown surface area. So we'll just put A for area. Now the problem is we're comparing a one-dimensional measurement to a two-dimensional surface area. And we can't do that. So what you would have to do is either square root your surface area or square your side lengths. In this case it's much easier to just square our side lengths. So I'm going to do 8 squared and 14 squared. So 8 squared is going to be 64. So I'll bring that over here. So 64 over 236 equals 14 squared, which is 196 over my area. So now I need to cross multiply, so 196 times 236 to get 46,256 equals 64a. So I'm going to divide by 64. Get that set up right. There we go. Divide by 64. To get an area of 722 and 75/100 centimeters squared. So if you're trying to find a two-dimensional measurement, you have to make sure you square all of your one-dimensional measurements. Alright, so here we have two square pyramids. One has a base length of 5 and the volume equals 50. The other one has a base of 2, but we don't know the volume. Well, volume is cubed, so we have to, when we set up this proportion, if we have 5 over 50 equals 2 over, or we'll put V for volume, we have to cube those numbers because volume is cubed. So that would actually work out to 125 over 50 equals 8 over V. So now you can cross multiply. 50 times 8 equals 400 equals 125 V. So divide by 125 and you can get volume would equal 3 2/10.